How to grow your YouTube channel fast. Tips and tricks. Part 1. The foundation of growth in today's fast-paced digital world. YouTube has become more than just a video sharing platform. It is a global stage where creativity meets opportunity. With over 2 billion monthly users, the platform gives anyone with a camera and an idea the potential to reach a massive audience. However, the path to YouTube success is rarely easy. Every minute, thousands of hours of video content are uploaded, making the competition tougher than ever. For creators who dream of rapid growth, understanding how the platform truly works is the first major step. Most people who start a YouTube channel believe that success depends solely on luck or viral moments. While viral videos can help, long-term growth is built on strategy, quality, and consistency. YouTube rewards creators who engage their audience, keep viewers watching, and build trust over time. The platform's algorithm, the invisible engine that decides what content to recommend, plays a huge role in who succeeds. To grow fast, a creator needs to master this system rather than fight against it. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes viewer satisfaction. It looks at signals like how long people watch a video, how often they click on it, and how much they interact with the channel. Watch time is one of the most important factors. If viewers stay until the end of your video or even watch multiple videos in a row, YouTube sees that as a sign of quality. Click-through rate, or CTR, also matters. That's the percentage of people who click on your video after seeing it in their feed. A high CTR means your title and thumbnail are appealing. Engagement, likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions tells YouTube that your content builds community value. When all these signals are strong, the platform rewards you by recommending your videos to more viewers. But before diving into algorithms and analytics, every successful creator must first define their niche. A niche is your area of focus, the topic or theme that defines your channel's identity. It's what helps people recognize your content and decide whether to subscribe. Many beginners make the mistake of trying to do everything. One day a vlog, the next a gaming video, then a tutorial. While that variety might seem fun, it confuses both viewers and the algorithm. YouTube thrives on clarity. When your videos consistently revolve around a central topic, YouTube can easily understand who your target audience is and recommend your videos to them. Choosing a niche starts with 2 questions. What are you passionate about, and what are people interested in watching? The perfect niche lies at the intersection of your interests and audience demand. If you create content about something you genuinely enjoy, you'll be able to stay consistent even when growth is slow. Passion keeps you motivated through the learning curve, technical struggles, and inevitable periods of low views.
However, passion alone isn't enough. You also need to ensure that there's an audience for your topic. For example, if you love reviewing retro cameras, that's a great niche. But you'll need to study how big that audience is and what type of videos they enjoy. Market research helps you find the balance between personal interest and audience potential. Spend time observing other creators in your chosen category. Notice what kind of videos perform best, what titles and thumbnails they use, and how they engage with viewers. This isn't about copying. It's about understanding patterns. If you can find a way to do what others are doing, but with your own style or unique twist, your channel will stand out. For instance, instead of making generic tech review videos, you could specialize in budget tech for students or eco-friendly gadgets. Specificity builds identity. Once you've chosen your niche, consistency becomes the key to growth. YouTube doesn't expect daily uploads, but it does value reliability. Regular posting tells both viewers and the algorithm that your channel is active. The more consistent you are, the more data YouTube gathers about your performance, and the better it becomes at recommending your content to the right audience. Think of your channel as a brand. People subscribe not just for one video, but for the promise of what's coming next. In addition to content consistency, visual branding plays a subtle but powerful role in audience growth. A professional logo, clean channel banner, and recognizable thumbnail style make your channel look trustworthy. Many new creators underestimate the power of design, but a cohesive visual identity helps viewers remember your content. When someone sees your thumbnail in their feed, they should instantly recognize that it's yours. This recognition builds familiarity, and familiarity builds loyalty. Another important foundation of growth is authenticity. Viewers can instantly sense whether a creator is genuine or just copying trends for views. The YouTube audience values connection and honesty. When you share your real experiences, opinions, and emotions, people feel closer to you. Authentic creators attract long-term viewers, while those who fake enthusiasm or chase viral trends often lose interest from their audience quickly. Remember that on YouTube, trust equals growth. Building a YouTube channel isn't just about videos, it's about creating an experience. From the moment a viewer clicks on your video to the time they leave a comment or subscribe, every detail contributes to their impression of your channel. The title should catch attention, the intro should hook interest, the content should deliver value, and the outro should encourage action. Successful creators design this experience carefully. They think about pacing, storytelling, and how to keep viewers engaged until the end. Lastly, it's vital to manage expectations. Growing fast doesn't always mean growing overnight. Some channels blow up within months, while others take a year or more to find momentum. The goal is not just to get millions of views quickly, but to build a sustainable presence where people trust your content and come back for more. The first few months are about experimenting, learning, and improving. Every video you post gives you data on what works, what doesn't, and what your audience truly wants. Treat those early videos as training, not failure. The foundation of YouTube growth lies in three things: understanding how the platform works, finding a focused niche, and creating content that delivers consistent value. Once these pillars are in place, everything else, from SEO to collaboration, becomes much easier. A strong foundation doesn't just help you grow faster, it helps you grow smarter. If you like your concept, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video and comment for next video what you want to see.